Hi, here is the Olympus OZ zoom, 80 zoom, overall conditions. And here is the battery compartment. You can use two types of battery. One is like AA battery for 2, then another one is using one CR123A battery, yep, which now I'm using it. Just put it back like this, close it, and pull here up to open the back cover. Inside will be like this. Then about the film, you need to slide from the bottom to the top to make sure that the motor is fit into the center part of the film. Yep. Then put it like this, flat, and put the film tip to here. Okay, like this will do. Then you just close it, and you will auto lock. Okay, by switching here to on it. Okay, so here show figure 1, which means that you have loaded the film properly. If you didn't load it well, it will show an E, which means that it's empty or error. So you just like open again to slightly adjust a bit will do. Then here is the zoom and zoom out. Here is the shutter button and viewfinder. You look into the viewfinder, you follow at the center point, then go the dot. So you just use that dot to end whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay. If it light up like this, which means that it's okay, then you just click it. And if the environment is very dark, yeah, like this, it will trigger the flash. Got the orange light you see. Then you just click it. And if the green light is blinking, which means that it can't focus, so maybe you slightly adjust a bit. Wait a moment, I aim far a bit. Okay, like this means okay, then you just click it. And here is the flash setting, but I recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. And here is the remote or the timer. For the timer also same, half press and press it, and here we have a red light up, which means that the timer is start counting. So you just wait for like around 10 seconds will do. Overall is setting is like this, and if you don't want to use it, then just switch to off will do. Yeah. And here's the panorama mode, but actually it's not much difference or special so you just ignore it will do, and when you should finish it will auto remind, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.